Komarc designs, manufactures, and exports games, toys, and gifts. The company has been manufacturing in Asia for 20 years, making toys and games for Komarc's own line, plus many other brands worldwide, specializing in paper, wood, and plastic. At our pre-press and printing plant in Ho Chi Minh City, we have 6 specialists who pre-flight files, create die lines, check color, do press sheet imposition, and many other important tasks. Our prep department includes digital printing for proofs and prototyping. We have 4 digital inkjet printing machines. Our format size is up to 72 inches. We have CNC machines for making final prototypes such as POS displays, 4-panel boxes, and many other products. Our factory implemented computer-to-plate technology over 10 years ago and maintains the most state-of-the-art equipment from Heidelberg for quality and efficient plate setting. In 200,000 square feet, our printing factory has 10 sheet-fed presses, extensive finishing equipment, and a large inventory of materials. About 30,000 square feet is used for holding newly palletized press sheets, ready to move to finishing and assembly. Our sheet-fed presses include multiple 5- and 6-unit Heidelbergs and Komarcs. The latest acquisition is a 6-unit plus inline coder, $1.7 million printing press, providing consistent premium output quality. We can run as much as 15,000 sheets per hour without issue, up to 24-point paper stock. In addition, we can run flexible polypropylene or PVC. The color management system is as good as anywhere in the world. We have 4 guillotine cutters throughout the plant. All cut sheets are wrapped for transport around the factory. The factory has 6 Heidelberg cylinder presses. In addition, we have 2 full-size automated die cutters, ideal for high-volume box making. We have 3 automated glue fold machines, converting up to 100,000 boxes per day, and for rigid box making, we can finish 10,000 daily. And for steel wool dies, we store them for at least 2 years. 15,000 square feet of paper inventory from text and cover weight to 1,300 GSM chipboard. Our wood plant is over 160,000 square feet and brings in tons of lumber daily. All native Vietnamese timber including rubberwood, acacia, and eucalyptus. Wood is inspected throughout the manufacturing process to ensure accurate and acceptable surfaces, moisture levels, and more. The factory has over 30 different machines, making the woodwork process efficient with consistent quality. This includes belt sanders, saws, and tubing machines. We also have 2 4-sided molders, multiple cutters, drills, CNC wood lathe machines, and CNC milling machines. We have wide-scale paint production and hand finishing. This includes wood coating machines and UV printing, specializing in game components and toys. For plastic parts, in Wenzhou, China, Komarc has extensive tooling and CNC capabilities. Molds typically take 15 days for simple structure toy and game components, up to 60 days for complex multi-part components. For injection molding, we have a total of 12 injection machines at two main facilities in Wenzhou and Taizhou. We can inject very small components from just a few mm to a few cm. And larger components to 15 inches or more. All injected parts are inspected carefully and neatly packed in cartons for transport to Komarc's QC and assembly facility nearby. We use many materials for plastic games and toy components, including polypropylene, high-impact polystyrene, and ABS. At Komarc's Wenzhou QC plant, the parts are inspected, sorted, and packed, then delivered to Ningbo Port and shipped to Komarc Games Vietnam for final quality checks, plus game and toy assembly. Transport by sea takes 3 to 6 days to arrive to Vietnam factory. In Wenzhou, Komarc recently set up a brand new 6,000 square foot facility for inspections and assembly. At Komarc Games Vietnam, at our main assembly plant in Long An, we implement very rigid quality control standards, inspecting every piece and part, not just random samples. For wood components, we check for even the slightest flaws, such as screen print color, smooth edges, hanging splinters, size, and surface. If there's an issue, we can potentially fix it on the spot or reject it. We have highly experienced workers for high-speed packing and last-minute checking for all wood games and toys. We can pack thousands of boxes each day. For game boards or other flexible components, we check carefully for print quality, cuts, and clean surface. We set up lines for the most efficient assembly on all games with multiple components and any size packaging. All components we make in Vietnam and China, as well as finished packed products, will pass US required ASTM, CPSIA testing, and all Europe EN and CE requirements. In our clean room, we assemble small plastic parts. This includes careful checking and sealing of every single piece. We can handle up to 10,000 to 50,000 parts per day in this room. We have the capacity to store and load up to 210 CBM at any given time, equal to 3 40-foot high cube containers.